My name is Joshua Clark.
I'm Nick Flesh.
I'm Derek White.
And I'm Austin Delisle.
We are representing Orono House of Builders for consideration of the Bowdoin College Artic Museum project, where dedication, safety, and pride in our work define who we are.
At the Orono House of Builders, safety is key. With 3 team members certified in OSHA 30-hour training and one currently obtaining theirs, we ensure that every aspect of our work prioritizes well-being of our team and those around us. At Orono House of Builders, we leverage our collective knowledge and individual strengths to get ahead of the competition. Our varied backgrounds and shared knowledge make us well-suited for the challenges of this project.
At the Orono House of Builders, we are more than just a team. We are a dedicated group of professionals committed to excellence in every aspect of our work. With a huge focus on safety, many years of experience, and a strategic approach to building construction, we are determined to exceed expectations and deliver an outstanding work for this project. Choose us and experience the difference that pride and craftsmanship can make.
The description of our work in the request for proposal provided to us includes installation of exterior masonry, flooring, exterior windows, labor estimates, and bid analysis for mass timber, framing and drywall, and fire protection. Our team has thoroughly looked through the plans and specifications and subcontractor quotes to provide you with the highest quality bid proposal at the lowest cost. Safety is very important to us at Orono House Builders. A value we know is very important to Consigli. We have created a detailed safety plan with site-specific information to ensure that the work is completed safely as well as on schedule. Construction is repeatedly the most dangerous industry to work in. In 2019, there are 1,102 construction-related fatalities reported to OSHA. The focus 4 hazards are struck by, caught in between, falls, and electrocutions, which count for 2/3 of the reported deaths. At Orono House of Builders, we have made it part of the job description to keep ourselves and our coworkers safe. Had that. Ready. Our contract will end 644 calendar days later on December 5th, 2026. Our demobilization date will be November 28th, 2026. Our work schedule does not include federal holidays or weekends.
The logistics plan. Using site plan 3.2 in Procore, Orono House of Builders plans on preventing as much pedestrian and automotive disruption as possible during the construction phase, keeping all projects related items, dumpsters, trailers, equipment, materials, and crews as close to the project site as possible. Below you'll find a drawn-on version of the site plan with the designated area for the items listed above. In total, there are approximately 8 vehicle spaces being designated solely for the project. This leaves 47 parking spaces left for pedestrian use. On the drawn-on version of the site plan, you can find the area highlighted in green for the 32-foot by 8-foot trailer with space to park the lull and have 2 parking spaces for the project superintendent. The area highlighted in red is designated area for the dumpster. It is recommended that crews park either on College Street or in the parking spot located near College Street. Project risks. The risks this project faces are safety, scheduling, and logistics. In our construction project, we must be vigilant about various safety risks, including worker safety, site safety, and compliance risks. Worker safety concerns encompass accidents, injuries, and human errors due to unsafe conditions or lack of proper equipment. Site safety hazards range from an unstable terrain to environment dangers and falling debris. Compliant risks pose threats of fines, legal issues, or delays in safety regulations that aren't followed. Additionally, we face schedule risk such as delays in permitting, adverse weather conditions, material shortages, design changes, labor shortages, and unforeseen site conditions, all of which can impede project timelines. Logistic challenges further compound our efforts, including transportation delays, site access restrictions, constraints, coordination difficulties, and utility interruptions, all of which demand meticulous planning and management.
Onto the estimations. For bid calculations, we utilize Bluebeam to measure quantities, Excel for quantity and cost tracking, and RS means to extrapolate cost data. At times, crew sizes were increased as compared to RS means data in order to ensure that the project fits within the given time frame. Although much of the data within RS means related to building construction data was extrapolated and adjusted to fit within the scope of the given item. Careful attention was paid to it and ensure the quantities found were as close as possible to minimize waste and keep costs low for the department. For windows, I calculated the square footage of the windows since RS means did not have all the sizes. So I took the prices and figured out the cost of 1 square foot to find out how much larger windows would be. Subcontractors were carefully considered not only for the lowest cost, but also for the product and service that is provided. For fire protection bid analysis, subcontractor B sticks to the contract, reducing mistakes despite lower safety scores. Their quality is high, showing their dedication to standards. They're financially stable, ensuring smooth progress with all necessary insurance. Risks are minimized. They meet deadlines for on-time completion and fulfill all fire protection systems requirements. Agreeing to standard contract term aids collaboration. Subcontractor B covers all components for fire protection system installation.
For framing and drywall bid analysis, considering the comprehensive compliance with contract documents, scope of work, and general requirements, along with the total cost, subcontractor B remains the most favorable choice for the drywall subcontract. Overall, subcontractor B offers a combination of competitive pricing, compliance with project requirements, comprehensive scope of work, and potentially relevant experience and qualifications, making them the best option for the drywall subcontract. And now for the timber frame subcontract. Vendor B is the best choice because they follow the contract, meet stair and fire marshal requirements, handle structural needs, offer necessary hardware, and provide a comprehensive scope of work, including design and timber supply. All vendors ensure quality and offer certified wood, while none coordinate on-site. Vendor B is quick with changes and has the shortest lead times, crucial for the project. Plus, vendor B offers the lowest total cost, making them the top contender. And now for value engineering. Initially, timber framing tends to be cheaper than steel framing. However, steel prices can fluctuate depending on market conditions and availability. Steel framing, though initially more costly, saves on labor and maintenance compared to timber framing. Importing timber from Norway adds significant shipping expenses, making steel the cheaper option. Steel framing, lighter and standardized, enables quicker installation compared to timber framing. Prefabricated offsite, it allows faster on-site assembly, leading to cost savings from reduced labor and shorter construction schedules. Environmentally, timber framing is eco-friendly due to its renewable nature, while steel framing, despite higher embodied energy, offers recyclability. This dynamic affects the pricing and relevance of timber framing. And now for the alternate pricing. If we were to put down thin set ceramic tile over all polished concrete areas, we would have a total square footage of 15,861. This tile has a unit price of $36.40, which gives us a total price of $577,341.
With that, leaving our total bid price being $7.2 million.
Bowdoin House Builders work to provide you with the best bid possible. Our team is excited for the possibility to work with you on this project. Thank you for your consideration.